A security features deep dive, like, or an overview, as I've said, as per the marking rubric, right? Password security, Argon 2 ID. What does Argon 2 ID have? You have your hashing, right? What does it entail? 64 megabytes, right? 64 megabytes memory cost with 4 iterations, right? Input whitelisting, strict regular expression patterns or validations applied on each and every field to protect against what? Injection attacks. Protection against what? Other attacks or against attacks. You have your helmet security. I've shown you, you've implemented this, right? You have your helmet security. Let me go up a bit so you have your helmet security. Give me a second. Yeah, helmet security, rate limiting on authentication endpoints, right? This is very important because we don't want too many requests and we need a timely request. You can't leave a website just like that and then expect it to work. No, everything is time sensitive, right? So if your helmet security headers, rate limiting on authentication and so endpoints, your payload size limits, right? And then the SSL, data in transit, security in data for data in transit. Where is that implemented? That's implemented on what? HTTPS. Where is it? Okay, look. The backend is currently running on what? HTTP. No problem there. It's backend. We have some limitations, but look, front end. Where does it run? HTTPS, which is very important because what? It makes sure that we are able to protect data in transit, right? Right. And then now let's go to the DevSecOps, right? You see, GitHub. You have the GitHub, and then you have what? Your workflows. This is simply a pipeline. You have your CI/CD. You get me? So it's like you can do everything here and then push it or push this file or this project to what? To GitHub, and then everything works perfectly, right? So let's just wait for it, and then let's edit in Notepad. So I'll see what does it have. It has your branches, it has your jobs. As you can see, you get me? This is your CI/CD and it's secure. CI/CD pipeline. You have your push and your pull request, which branches will you use. You have jobs, which runs on what? Ubuntu latest, right? You have your name, checkout code, your actions as well. You have setup, as I've said, the purchase runs on backend with your Node.js as well. You have your backend security checks, which will be your dependencies, your CD backend, your Node packet manager. You get me, right? And then you have your security edits. You have to install for the front end, install the front end as well, dependencies, security audits as well, and then you have your build front end. So we have to build what? The back end. You build what? Your front end as well. You have your security checks as well as your audit checks, right? This is your CI/CD, and then the CI pipeline complete, right? So that's all. So in conclusion, right? The project has demonstrated a secure software engineering practices covering all major requirements of the assignment. We've implemented not everything, because this is student based, but as per the industry standard and to meet the pass marks on the marking rubric, we've implemented most and applied additional research on each and every security measure for your password security, right? What else? Protection against other attacks, your input whitelisting, your DevSecOps, your data in transit, right? So yes, this assignment has been really good, and I'm able to answer any questions and to demonstrate additional features if possible. So thank you for your time and enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.